Hi guys. So if you do have natural hair struggles like I do, this video is probably for you and you do not want to miss out on it. Stay tuned guys. I'll be showing you in this video how I hope I am able to deal with my difficult hair. Stay with me guys. So guys, first of all, I have to say this. I have like a very stubborn hair, and then on top of it I decided to go natural, which I would not advise for anybody that naturally has a difficult hair or a stubborn hair. Like, it's a no. I don't know who shall send me message, but yeah, I am, and I have been having struggles with my hair. Earlier on I actually wanted to make a video on my hair because I was like getting really frustrated with the whole being unable to like comb my hair, or like just leave my hair for a day or two without it going like so strong. So luckily, I don't know if I should say luckily yet since I've not tried the products yet, but someone introduced some products for me and I bought them, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I apply and use the product, and then also show you the results. Hopefully they are good for my hair and they help me with my hair struggles. Stay tuned guys. These are the products I bought. Hair essentials, I don't know if you can see, hair essentials 5-in-1 kit. I'll be bringing the products out and I'll be showing you. So it did come with a thank you note and my name on it. I don't know if you can see. You cannot see. And it says, dear Faith, there is a 10% discount off your first order and 20% on your fifth order. Okay guys, this is not like a promo video or something. I'm not doing a promotion for this product. I'm just showing, I just want to show I don't know, I just want to show this video, but this is not like a promo video. Okay, so guys, this is a 5-in-1 kit, remember. So this is the first, this is leave-in conditioner, this is hair cream butter, this is magic hair detangler and moisturizer retainer, this is African black soap shampoo, finally this is hair growth oil. So guys, I'll be going to wash my hair. You guys want to follow me to the bathroom? Okay, I'll be going to wash my hair, and yeah. So guys, I decided to show you lots of my hair, and this is what my hair actually looks like. I am actually so ashamed that I'm showing you my hair. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like, and I'm coming, let me get comb so that I'll try and put the comb and you see how difficult it actually is to like comb this hair. So guys, see. Ouch. Yup. Cannot even pass. Like, I cannot comb it. It's impossible. Mission, this is what they call mission impossible. Like, I cannot comb it. I cannot comb. The hair is thin. It's not passing. It's not going through. So yeah, hopefully this kid will be able to like do the magic for me and help me with my hair struggles.
Was it real or just pretend? Tell me why do you wanna end? Was he really just a friend? No sign of you at all. Just pictures on these walls, reminding me of how you flew away. All that we've gone through, was it all just a game to you? 'Cause I'm dying to know, why do you wanna end? Was it real? just pretend? Tell me why you wanna end. Was it really just a friend? Cause it's plain in my head, every word that you said, I ain't worked it out yet. So why you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? If there was any sign that our love was in decline, I would have begged you not to go. I would have given even more. My heart is breaking up inside. Can't believe our love has died. It's out of my control. Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me why you wanna end. Is he really just your friend? Cause it's plain in my head, every word that you said, I ain't worked it out yet. So why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Why do you wanna end? When it hurts like this.
So guys, I'm such a lazy hair person, and this is all the styling I could come up with. But my hair does feel great now, and of course way better than it was when I started this video. Thank you guys for watching. Again, remember, like, this is not a promo video, this is not a sponsored video, but I just wanted to give a review of this product and let you guys know of my usual hair struggles. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Do not forget to drop your comments and let me know if you have similar hair struggles and what you've been using for your hair. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not yet done that. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next video.